This video is going to give you 4 examples to help see if you have mastered the concept of converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. When converting mixed numbers to improper fractions, the steps are as follows. First, you write down the denominator from your mixed number, as it will stay the same. Next, multiply the denominator times the whole number. Finally, add the numerator. The total goes over the denominator. So take a stab at the 4 examples below and pause the video. When you're done, unpause and see if our answers match. Example 1. Convert 4 and 10/12 to an improper fraction. First, we write down 12 to be the denominator of our improper fraction. Next, we multiply 12 times 4 and we get 48. Then we add 10 to our result of 48 for a total of 58. 58 is our numerator and our improper fraction is 58 over 12. Example 2. Convert 11 and 2/3 to an improper fraction. We start off by writing down thirds as our denominator in our improper fraction. Next, take 3 and multiply it by 11, which is our whole number. The answer is 33. Finally, we add 2 to 33 and we get a total of 35. 35 over 3 is our improper fraction. Example 3. Convert 6 and 3/5 to an improper fraction. We write down the denominator of 5. We multiply 5 times our whole number of 6 and we get 30. We add the numerator of 3 for a total of 33. 33/5 is our improper fraction. Example 4. Convert 3 and 5/8 to an improper fraction. We set the denominator of 8. We multiply 8 times 3 and we get 24. Add 5 for a total of 29. 29 over 8 is the improper fraction. So hopefully you got them all right. If you did, click the thumbs up or drop me a comment below. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't hit subscribe, go ahead and do that now. Thanks for watching. See ya.